Hey y'all, it's Chimdi. So I am very bittersweetly showing you all my empty apartments in this empty apartment tour because yes, I am moving. I am getting out of here. I'm on to some bigger and some better things. And as a result, I am leaving my lovely apartment behind. You can see this lovely brick wall, or not lovely brick wall, this lovely accent wall. All the selfies that I took. And I'm just gonna show you all around, one last time. There's nothing in here. I'm not really sure what the value is of these, but in case you're interested in what my apartment looked like when there was nothing in it and there was none of my personality in it. So here is the kitchen. It was a pretty good sized kitchen. It didn't have enough counter space as I would have liked for sure, but it got the job done. And if you remember, I had my wall art on the side. I had my entryway that was full of my personality as well, and now there is absolutely nothing. You can see how big my space was. It was a pretty big space. This apartment was 810 square feet. So that's pretty big for a 1-bedroom apartment. So I had a lot of space out of it. It was old school. It still had the radiators and things like that. But it was a pretty solid space. I had my balcony, which now has nothing on it. This is my balcony. What I loved about this apartment is that the balcony looked out to the courtyard, so every night I would get to see the entire community out in front of me, and yeah, it was really green and nice. Made me feel like I was really a part of something, So yeah, that was that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you all the bedroom, which is now empty. One thing about the bedroom is that it didn't have any source of light besides the window. So you had to bring in your own lamp if you wanted light, which was kind of a bummer, gotta say. But yeah, it was a pretty nice sized bedroom. I was able to fit a queen bed in here pretty comfortably. That's where it was. I had 2 closets. Here were the 2 closets. One of them was a walk-in that did have its own light. This is the walk-in closet. Pretty good size, two areas in here. And I had a secondary closet that I could also use, which was nice as well. And then I loved my bathroom because it had this huge window. You saw both my apartment tour and my morning routine, my fall morning routine video, then you know about this awesome mirror in my bathroom. This was the tub. It came with a closet right here, and then here in the hallway there was another closet that I could use as well. But yeah, it was a good apartment. It was a good apartment. I am sad to see it go. I'm excited for the next person who will fill it with love and fill it with memories. And I'm really excited for the next steps in my journey. I haven't really gotten into it with the internet. People who know me kind of know where I'm going, but generally speaking, I'm just gonna go travel for a bit. I'm gonna see what's out here in the rest of the world. If you watch my video about working remotely, I have a remote job, and that means that I can live and work wherever I want. So I'm gonna just spend a year traveling and seeing the world and getting a sense of where I wanna go next. It might be back here in the DMV, it might be somewhere else. But I'm of course gonna take y'all along for the journey, you already know. Yeah, really excited about this, y'all. But yeah, here's my big empty apartment. Super sad, but gotta do what you gotta do, y'all. You gotta keep growing, never stop growing. Go ahead and give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next video.